Please like, please comment, please subscribe to my video. And I'll thank you for that. And to my loyal subscriber who have been consistently commenting, liking my video, and who also subscribe. Thank you so much. And for those who scroll along, I still thank you. Coming on to the Christmas of Jamaica, this time of the year, you buy your pretty dandan, you buy your curtain, you clean your house from corner to corner, you wash your little flowers, them artificial flowers, them, you wash out your vase, you buy your dial if it's spread upon your dresser because Christmas day you want your house with pick and span. That anybody come in your yard, house clean. And then you make sure all the children them and everybody picnic way in the yard, them have to have a nice suit for Christmas. And picnic have to get tie. Picnic get tie on Christmas. And then get their little money when they save up in a then save pan. Woe be unto those parents who take the picnic them money and when Christmas time then can't buy zinc give them. Because they say hard time reach them, and no food no their yard. So then take the money when they have in a then save pan. And for some who hide their money in a bamboo giant, a bush, and make the rain wet up the money. And then when Christmas time you ball, whoa, the money wet up. Yes, I have somebody who did just that. And for uno, parents who hide the money under the mattress and in a thread bag, this is the time of year to take out the money and spend. And for those who going to Christmas Eve shopping, where them buy the piece of beef, and fi come boil the beef soup like how my mother love beef soup. Every Christmas Eve, you know she have to buy a piece of beef to cook beef soup. She always look forward to her beef soup. And for those who going to the butcher to buy up every meat in the butcher shop, just fi put on big bella goat for Christmas. Big pot. Yes, Jamaican. When you say Jamaican, we love food. We love to cook and share. The days when people are dig yam, your neighbor dig yam. Hey, Miss So-and-so, here is one and a banana. Me bring it for you. Here is piece of yam, me dig yam, me bring for you. In the Merry Macaya, nobody no give away nothing. Nobody give away anything. You could have stretched from now till the morning. Nobody no give away nothing hope yourself. But Jamaican people, them know say time get rough and time get tough and things what they used to do. So my time then can't do it. But Jamaicans are a sharing people. Especially with the ground provision. You know if you see somebody banana, you know when they chop it down here get a hand. And you know when they pick a mango, they make one dish of mango come give you. You know when they reap a tomato, they make a tomato and cucumber come give you. Yes, with Jamaican people. That's how I know Jamaican people back then. But now, everything everybody has sell. Money I do everything now. Where did the kindness went? Did the kindness went through the window? When you come to a foreign country, you see that everything is different. Nobody not giving nothing. Nobody not giving nothing at this place. Yeah. So you see what you have natty and save it. Because if one day you can't pay the landlord rent, you're homeless or you got shelter. So you have to save the little we you have because when you not work, landlord no want here so you can't pay rent. Because for them bills have to pay. So you have to make provision to save up landlord money, put on 3 months rent, put on landlord money that your house no hold in the cool. That it is with the Merrimaca. I not like Jamaica where you can wine round and wine round. No, here. Then carry you to the court and by then you know bailiff take out all your something them and throw them out the road. And you see the disgrace come. And people now put up nobody. Because when you put up somebody, then say after 30 days, you can't get them out. So nobody no want put up nobody. Because you don't know where people are run from. And when you put up people, then come in your yard, they don't want pay no rent, they don't want pay no bills. Everything just down on you. So for that reason, hey, for that reason, nobody not help nobody nowadays. Nobody not help nobody, because when you help people and when your time come for you need help, them not look upon you. Them take the kiss me ass pill. Them no member. Them have amnesia. Yes. Please like, please comment. Have a Merry Christmas. When it comes, give love on Christmas Day. I don't believe in Christmas, I can tell you. I don't believe in Christmas. I don't celebrate Christmas. But if I have something to give, I give. And I'm always grateful and thankful for what God has provided for me. Long life, a job, which is the most important thing. Life and job. And free speech. Freedom of worship. Those are the things I'm grateful for. Families, friends, loved ones. There is so much to be thankful for. So share a little your dinner. Share something. Invite somebody for dinner. Love. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the video. Don't forget to like. And please don't forget to share. Bring back the old time memories. Come, let's go down memory lane. Thank you.